Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Toyota Corolla seatbelt. First, carefully examine your seatbelt to determine the specific problem. Is it refusing to extend, failing to retract properly, or is the buckle not latching securely? A quick visual inspection can often reveal a simple issue, like a twisted belt or an object obstructing its path. Understanding the exact fault is the crucial first step before attempting any repairs. If your seatbelt isn't retracting smoothly, start by cleaning the webbing. Use a gentle soap and water mixture, then allow it to air dry completely. Sometimes, dirt and grime can cause friction. Next, pull the belt out to its full extension and look for any signs of wear or stiffness. A small amount of silicone spray applied to the retractor mechanism, accessible by carefully removing the pillar trim, can often restore its smooth operation. When the seat belt buckle isn't engaging correctly, the first step is to check for obstructions. Small items like coins or food crumbs can easily get lodged inside, preventing a secure latch. Use a can of compressed air to thoroughly clean the buckle's interior. If the problem persists, you might consider testing the buckle with a seat belt from another seat, if compatible, to isolate whether the issue is with the buckle itself or the latch plate. For more severe issues, such as a damaged retractor or a completely broken buckle, replacing the entire seat belt assembly might be necessary. Always disconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal as a safety precaution before starting. You'll need to carefully remove the interior trim panels to access the mounting bolts. Install the new assembly, ensuring all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 30 to 40 foot-pounds, for safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.